Today I'm going to show you how to download and use the Kurzweil Read the Web extension. This is an extension that's available to students who use Kurzweil 3000. It is available to download in Chrome and Firefox. I'm going to show you Chrome today, but you can do it in a similar fashion for Firefox as well. So up here in my taskbar, I'm actually going to search for Kurzweil Read the Web. And the very first link that I get in my search results is the Read the Web in the Chrome extension store. When I click on that, I'm going to have an option to add it to Chrome. I'm just going to click on that and tell it to add the extension. You should see Kurzweil over here in your extensions bar. If for any reason you don't, you can actually click on the little puzzle piece looking thing and you'll see all of your other extensions, and you can see Kurzweil Read the Web here. I actually like to use the pin and pin Kurzweil directly to my extension bar. That way I don't lose it as I'm trying to read websites and such. So I'm going to go back to a web page. This is the Accessibility Services main homepage, and here is our COVID announcement. I'm going to turn on Kurzweil Read the Web by clicking on that extension, and I'm going to get the opportunity to add my username and password. This is the Kurzweil username and password that I use for the Kurzweil website or the Kurzweil software as well. And once I'm in here, I can just come over to where I want to begin, click on the page where I want my cursor to go, and press play.
The university is taking several steps to minimize the potential spread.
The settings and options feature here gives you a lot of options to kind of pick and choose, especially if you are used to using a different voice in your Kurzweil account. You have all of the same voices. You can pick and choose how fast they speak, the unit that gets highlighted as it's reading, and then what happens when they get to the end of that unit, whether it continues or under self-paced you have to hit play again. You also have the option of where you want Kurzweil to be on your page. So I could, decide that my right side is a little bit cleaner and I want Kurzweil over here. If for some reason I don't need to be using Kurzweil right now, I can just click on the toggle and it will kind of hide or minimize the extension on the page. And then if I am done reading with Kurzweil for the day, I can actually go back up and click on the extension in the extension bar, and it will turn off Kurzweil for the day. Now, Kurzweil is used for reading websites. Kurzweil Read the Web is used for reading websites, reading eCampus, web pages, things of that sort. You can even use it for your email. You cannot use Kurzweil to read PDF, Kurzweil Read the Web to read a PDF. That you will actually need to download and add into your Kurzweil account. If you have any questions, you can visit the Office of Accessibility Services website. And when you scroll down to the very bottom here, you're going to see our contact information in the bottom left-hand corner. There's some email addresses here, which is access2@mail.wvu.edu. or our phone number, which is 304-293-6700. If you have any questions, just reach out. Thanks.